If we spend $3,000, will we make $18,000? Where does that number break? Where does that fall off? I really want to sell one of these for $1 million because that would be the ultimate validation of a business. The last time we talked about mobile chat, which is one of our Shopify apps that we run through Simple Apps, our custom development company where we build plugins for Shopify stores. Last time we talked about mobile chat, we ran through in depth the cold emails we were testing to try to get clients. And you saw from those videos that the cold emails failed. We got some questions, we were generating some leads, but no conversions. And I was kind of bummed out, for real. I was thinking, oh no, my one superpower, cold email, doesn't work. Do we fold up the business and do we quit? Like, what are we supposed to do here? And then I realized, why am I just doing cold email? There are so many other marketing channels. Anyway, in today's video, I want to share a win because we did actually unlock unlimited revenue for mobile chat, meaning we found a way where we could spend $1 and make $5.60 or something. So it's a 560% return on our dollar. And it's not through cold email. The channel will surprise you. Stick around. What's the channel? What is the channel that worked? AdWords, Google Ads. Let me take you over to the desktop here. Here's mobile chat. Just a quick reminder, what we do is we help people make more sales with mobile customers. We are a bar that exists at the bottom of Shopify stores that people can tap, and it allows customers to text them directly. Very simple. That's why our company is called Apps by Simple, or Simple Apps. $15 a month. I replied to this review. We still have 1-star review. But the channel that worked is AdWords. And here is our exact AdWords page. We got 150 clicks. We have 8.8 thousand impressions. Our cost per click is 41 cents. And we've spent $61 total. We've had several conversions and several people have turned into buyers. Here's this. I'm showing you everything, by the way, because I'm excited about AdWords. I'm excited about cold email for certain businesses. I'm excited about AdWords now for certain businesses. We've got Facebook ads for a different experiment. I'll tell you about that in another video. So I want to talk about the AdWords here, but I also want to talk about why it worked for this business, why cold email didn't work. How do you pick a marketing channel for your business? 27 merchants, here we go. This is the AdWords conversion up to 28. Then they dropped. Here's another AdWords conversion up to 28. Then they dropped off. And here's another AdWords conversion up to 28. And they're sticking around for now. They might drop off. My assumption is they sign up for the free trial. 1 in 3 is gonna buy. And if you install an app on your site, we've got the data. You'll stick around for over a year. One install and conversion to a paid buyer to us at Mobile Chat is worth $15 a month for a year, or $180. If 1 in 3 convert, based on this data, we're looking at about a $30 conversion to buyer. So we're spending $30 to make $180. And I'll show you what we're doing here. Here's what our ads look like. Mobile chat for Shopify store. We've got good click-through rate on some of them, bad click-through rate on others. We've got our keywords here. If you guys rip my keywords off, I'm not gonna show you anything anymore, all right? For real. I'm trying to be open here, but you guys really gotta stop ripping off my businesses. Build another app. Don't build mobile chat. Build a different Shopify app. I might even launch a course. We might launch a course on how to do this. Stop ripping me off, please. Anyway, the other big insight I learned about Google Ads is the display network is valuable on Google Ads. Compare that to the display network on Facebook ads, which is a worthless pile of garbage, and you've got a surprising revelation. My experience with Facebook ads has shown me that if it's not in the direct feed or in the direct Instagram feed, or maybe in the stories, it's gonna get a lot of clicks, but it's not gonna turn into conversions. What I learned from Google Ads is it's not the opposite, but the display network actually matters. Let's go over to the old Reddit. Google display ads show up on major websites. Right here, this would be a Google ad. It's blocked by ad block. But if I turn off ad block here, you can see here that this is a Google display ad on Reddit, one of the most highly trafficked sites. Google display ads show up on these gigantic sites. Where's the Facebook display network ad? Huh? Here's another one from Google display ads. They're trying to sell me these Alexander McQueen shoes. Am I gonna buy these shoes? If I keep seeing the ads, I might. Look how fire these shoes are. These are sick shoes. Facebook display ads don't show up on websites like this. Google display ads show up on major websites, follow people around the web, and in AdBlock Plus. I was seeing these ads even though I had AdBlock on, because by default, this button is clicked on AdBlock that says allow acceptable ads. So this is how Reddit would look if you just had regular AdBlock, you didn't mess with the settings at all. So here I am with AdBlock installed on Chrome, boom. With the default settings, Google ad is showing. Where are the Facebook ads? That's why I like Google. And that's why I like the display network of Google. So what is our next step for mobile chat? We have an ad that's converting on Google AdWords. There are a couple next steps we could do. We could go and try another channel to see if it converts also. We could do cold calling maybe, or we could scale the channel that works. And that's the way I'm gonna do it. And that's what we are doing here. I'm scaling up our ad spend because I wanna see if the numbers play out. So for instance, right now we spend $30 and we make $180. I wanna see if we spend $300, will we make $1,800? If we spend $3,000, will we make $18,000? Where does that number break? Where does that fall off? And the reason why I want to figure that out is now that we have a way to make money online, now that we have a way to make unlimited money, in theory, we can go for acquisition of this app. Let's say an app with $100,000 worth of revenue sells for $1 million, right? 10 times revenue. This is a very high profit. It's like 99% profit here. So someone pays for 10 years of revenue up front and it's got an unlimited growth potential. That seems decent. So what this means is if $100,000 in revenue at a 10x return or 10x buy leads to $1 million for someone to buy this specific app, not Simple Apps as a company, just mobile chat. That means we need to spend $18,877.90, $18,000 to make $1 million. Whether that holds or not, we'll see, but that is why I'm chasing channels like this. Anytime you can spend $1 and make $5.6, you have a business system. And if the profit's high, like it is on any software, you've got a huge ability to multiply money there. That's why I'm so excited. And it's not just mobile chat. We're testing the same thing now for unit pricing, Facebook chat, WhatsApp chat, and we're spinning up new apps all the time. Maybe I will launch that course on how we're doing this. I just need a little bit more validation. This is still a little bit theoretical. You see the numbers here, but I'm still making assumptions. I really want to sell one of these for $1 million because that would be the ultimate validation of a business. And it would be the ultimate validation of unlimited money too. Anytime you could spend $18,000 and make $1 million, it seems like something that is unreal. Who knows? That's the question mark. There's a couple assumptions that I'm making in there, but we'll see. That's the path that I'm on right now. Anyway, that's how I make unlimited money, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman. Subscribe for more videos like this.